I'm asking, like, what do you think about COVID and the coronavirus? What's your opinion on it?
I think it's like a little disease compared to like something. Either
Yeah.
it's a disease based on like bones.
Yeah.
Like they must have been doing a lot of killing somewhere in the cave.
Yeah.
Because I heard that they had like a house made of bones, and somehow, somewhere, it's like a fungus that's in your lungs.
Oh, okay.
So basically, it's airborne. So it must be like some crazy deadly fungus.
Yeah.
Because a lot of crazy they're calling it like a heartburn. Another thing for heartburn. Basically, basically it starts off as a blister,
Yeah.
and then you pop it, and it ends up being a big old hole, and it just starts spreading. That's like basically another way of COVID. But the thing is how did this fungus get? You know what I mean? Like they must have been excavating. They started saying that they're in China. They went into a cave, but what is in this cave? You know what I mean? Were they like making, because they talk about mass murders and this and that, but like nowadays, like these people join teams, like, you know, they alliance themselves together. Like they found out that they basically make groups. They go out killing on a killing field, like, you know, like that movie that basically for one day, 24 hours, everybody kills. They really do have that. They really do have that, like in prisons.
Yeah.
But the thing is that they get invited to the cities, like in there, it's low key. It's like go to the city and ask for people that basically, how can I say, do human cells trafficking, and then you could kill anybody you want on the human traffic, you know, and then you could kill anybody you want. But these guys basically, they get a kick out of it because they start forming furniture. They basically, I think there's like in China, my ass, I think it's around here or around there, you know. Because obviously, there's a lot of people that are like basically missing. But it's like, where the fuck did all these people go, dude? Like, that's crazy, man. Like,
What do you think about the?
I think it's a fungus that got out of control, that the government can't find the main place where it's at, and it's not China.
What do you think about the vaccine, though?
The vaccine's full of shit. Because they basically saying they can't kill the common cold.
Okay. So are you pro-vaccine? If like the government?
I'm pro-vaccine if they know exactly where to find the main brain of this type of fungus, because it's a fungus. It gets in your lungs and basically affects the whole body, or somehow it affects the inside inner body. It basically attacks your lungs. Outside your body, it starts basically as a blister, then it goes with big old hole you can't even close. It starts spreading. You see, like there's two ways. There's two ways to the COVID. You know what I mean? Like one way is the one that everybody has. Bam! All the inner lung, the fungus that's in the lungs, and they like get congested, and then you die. And then there's the outer part of the fungus that basically starts off as a fungus, as the fungus gets in your leg, and it starts off as a blister and it pops.
Yeah.
But the thing is like they're just saying they can't cure the common cold. Yeah. So if they're pro-vaccine, they gotta at least cure the outer part of the COVID, you know what I mean? Because there's a lot of people that have that crazy, that it would start off as a blister and all of a sudden it's a big old hole in your leg or a big old hole in your hand. Yeah. You know, and they want to blame the drugs. You know, no man, it's this fungus.
Yeah.
It's this crazy fungus that you guys can't control. It's airborne, dude. Like where's the main brain to this fungus? You know? Yeah. Like you want to see where the main brain of where these people are actually doing their work, so they did their work, because obviously they're laughing at everybody. Why are they not getting sick? You know what I mean? Like, man, why are they not getting sick? Like, obviously you got a vaccine for it. Like, why can't people stop getting it then?
Yeah. Yeah.
Obviously the vaccine's supposed to be airborne too.
Yeah.
The vaccine's supposed to be airborne too, to cure everybody. Like, boom, once one person gets cured, everybody's supposed to like breathe his air and then get cured, right? Like, man, but why is it that not even with the vaccine can they get cured? They can get sick again. That means that there's a main brain that they can't find. Yeah. You know, there's no cave in China because there's communists. They're communists. They're the communist regime. They're a red state. So obviously they don't let nobody in or out. You know what I mean? How is it that this bat that's like in China got out of control when they don't even let people out of that country?
Yeah. Thank you for your time, man.
Thank you, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hey, you have a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Hey,
God bless you, man.
Hey, have a good one.